All right, primetime players, here's the video to determine who the winners are in the appreciation freebies for tonight. We have 27 entries, and we're going to take spots 1, 10, and 20. We'll all win an autographed baseball break for tonight. We'll open those live with the other breaks. So we'll check the time here. Is January 4th at 1:40 p.m. We're going to go over to the appreciation and type live. And we have January 4th at 1:40 p.m. And here's our list of 27 entries. We're going to do a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, so we're looking for 1, 10, and 20. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we go. Last and final good luck. We have Nick. We have Matt. And we have John. You are the 3 winners tonight. So Nick, Matt, and John, I will be opening these baseballs live tonight. I'll mark who was who and ahead of time, so we're not. I open the first ball and say, "Oh, this one's for Matt." Oh, wait, this should have been for John. So we'll take them ahead of time, and we'll open those during the breaks tonight. Just to have a little bit of fun. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, January 4th at 1:41. And thanks, guys. We'll see you live tonight.